Good evening, everyone. I'm very late today compared to usual, but today I'm just gonna try and tweak the UI a little bit and import, export everything into the Discord as well. And I'm guessing a lot of people will have questions or suggestions as I go. Anyway, first I'm gonna update all add-ons and then reload, I guess. So I could actually anchor the unhalted frames to the BCDM here, couldn't I? Should I do that? Or should I just keep it static? I think I can do that. There's no reason not to. Yeah. So UUF player. Frame anchor to yes. Okay. Yeah, that works. Is there a little bit too close to it though? Feels a bit. Yeah, so let's do like 10 pixels. 10 pixels? Minus 10. Yeah. If I close that now, does that look right? Do I want more spacing than that? This is BCDM. Cake, how do you get younger? Sadly, you can't. The cooldown viewer at 25. I do. Do I? I mean, I started going to the gym, I started sleeping. Enough. Yeah, I'm gonna be sharing profiles. Don't worry, chat. That's exactly what we're working on right now. So UUF is now anchored to the cooldown manager. So that means if I add things to it, such as CDM, no, /CD. So if I add, say, taunt. Yes, perfect. Good. Get rid of that though. Good, very good. That's one tweak done. Is there anything else I want? I don't think so. Sensei resource bar now has the improved whirlwind tracker inbuilt, but I don't think I need that. I think I want to keep the whirlwind tracker separate, just because that one tends to be more up to date than the Sensei one, at least for the time being. There's an add-on for it of improve. Cooldown manager / command. A whole add-on just for that. Okay, I think we're ready for this. So I think I'm gonna redo the channel completely. So I'm gonna write a full list. How do you make like a nice box, you know, in Discord? I've seen it before. Like this. How do you do this? Let's see. Okay, thanks. So if I do this and then start typing, it should show us that. It should show like that. Let me test that in one of these so I don't test. Did that work? No, it did not. Am I using the wrong one? Copying and pasting that. There we go. Yeah. So what's different with yours and mine? Oh, it's this one. Okay. I see. That makes sense. It's the charge button for me. The one next to 1. The one next to number 1. Okay. Add-on list. Full add-on list. I think I should like what's it called? Sort them into like, what's the word I'm looking for? Add-on type. What they're for, you know. Some are for combat, some are just QOL kind of stuff. Well, I'll start typing all of them anyway, and then we can sort from there. Shared media cozies. Make screenshots easy for me? No, I think I'm just gonna write it, make it look good, you know? Nice damage. I'm not gonna bother with RC loot cancel. Mask. Less mask. Alveoli. My health bar. That's unhalted unit frames. Northern Sky Raid tools. Or whatever. Enhance QR. Nah, I should put that in, I guess. Northern. What is that anyway? NSRT? NS? There we go. Interesting. I have no idea what this does. Interesting. Okay, well, I'll put it in. I guess it's some sort of MRT, but different. Teleport menu. Better cooldown manager. Minimap stats. Unhalted unit frames. Wild tools. Bartender 4. Basic minimap. Better character panel. Yes, Gaylord. But we're kind of just sharing it now. I think we're happy with where it is for now. I have no idea what this is, but whatever. Little wigs. Nobody needs that. I guess I'll put that. But I wonder if there's a better add-on, because this one has like Chinese letters on it and it's all weird. So I'm gonna leave that out for now. Mask Skinner, Biz buffs. Okay, I guess that just comes with mask. How's it going? Yeah, it's going well. Oh, I should put Narcissus. Tools. Narcissus. Later. Plumber. Raid. Frame. Settings. Sensei. Class. Resource. Bars. Sim. Oh my god. Socket. Helper. Makes me realize how many add-ons I actually have. Talent. Loadout. X. This is a guild thing from Liquid, so I can't share that. That doesn't work anymore. That doesn't work anymore. Okay, we're good. We're done. A lot of QOL stuff, yeah. Combat. Add-ons. I mean, that counts, I guess. Target the spells. Ability timeline. Wait, what should I name them? Yeah, it's fine. What keyboard do you use? It's exclamation mark keyboard. You can't get it because it's a custom keyboard, but if you want to know what's in it. Hey, Sinister. Okay. These are add-ons that work now, yeah. Nice damage is the goat. I like it. I like it. It's good. Like if nameplate SCT came back, then of course I would use that again. But UI related. Okay. Other? No. Misk. Have I used Keychron? Yes. No. No. I do have this keyboard from it's Lemo Key, but I think it's like a sister company or the same as Keychron or something like that. It's decent. I like it. It's wireless. I use it sometimes. I also have Also have this keyboard, which I have been using instead a lot. Also wireless keyboard. It's low profile, so the keys are pretty flat. And I've also put silent switches in this, so office friendly too. Yeah, for now. What addon am I using for my rage bar? Sensei rage. Sensei resource. Defensive stance reminder. That's a good one. It's here, Uncle Frey. It's all in my UI stuff channel. I need you guys to just join my Discord and check the UI stuff channel. That's how I'm working on right now. So just so I don't answer the same question a million times, you know. Better character panel. Sure, I can go here too. Actually, I can just go in miscellaneous. I'll put UI/combat related. Yeah. Basic minimap, that's a nice one. Big wigs. We'll put that here, I guess. Should put that high up here. a lot of people ask about that addon. When I press escape, I have this menu of teleports. Minimap stats. That's just for the FPS counter. Or FPS MS counter on map. Coming back from gym? Me? Oh, you're coming back from gym. I also came back from the gym just now. I'll be sharing my profiles and stuff as well, yes. I'm just doing a full list first, and then I'm going to start making threads that I'm going to put all the profiles and stuff in. If I know, I don't even know how to make a thread, but I'm sure we'll figure it out in a bit. QOL. QOL. That goes there. This goes there. That's QOL. Tip. Tricks plus, that's those. One of those. Oh, that one's important. That goes. I'll put it here. Raid frame settings. So it's together with the unhalted. The foot recovery period. Restarting you again, huh? Mythic dungeon tools. I mean, that goes in here. Narcissus. Add-on I use for some of my intros for the screen. Also got other neat features. Socket helper. Just do it in caps, let's go. Send. What the hell? How do I send this? Hello? Where's the send? All right, copy. What the hell? Am I like completely dumb here, or what's going on? Okay, like so. Press enter. Oh, there we go. Okay, good. Cool. That's the full add-on list. I will have to delete this at some point. Okay. Imports and no, yeah. Add-on profile imports. No. Yeah, I'll do a full list of all the imports here. Add-on profile imports. And add-on cd edit mode. Yes, that's good. Will be UI gaming for the rest of eternity. Yes, you're right. They will announce Warrior Bloodless tomorrow, right? No, they probably won't. Okay. Right. We'll start from the top. Unhalted. UUF, profiles, crit cake, export, send. Okay. Unhalted. Unit frames. And just paste it. Just eat. Unhalted crit cake, unhalted. Raid frame settings. RFS profiles. Oh, cannot be. All right. I don't know, Revi. I don't know where the "You Are Beautiful" thing came from, but it seems that everyone has it. Or I don't know if everyone has it. Best way to share this? With a thread, I think. With a thread. C thread. Separate thread in this channel. Why we still hit 4 target without improved whirlwind? What do you mean extra? Okay, next. I mean, we always use improved whirlwind when we're hitting more than one target. If you're not, then you're making a big mistake. Bartender 4. See separate thread in this channel. Without it, we still do? What do you mean, without it? No, if... What? What do you mean? You don't get improved whirlwind unless you have improved whirlwind, you know? Not that I know, at least. Yeah, we don't get it. It's not here. We're hitting one target. The improved whirlwind tracker does assume that every time you press whirlwind, you get a buff. So the improved whirlwind tracker is wrong. As you can see, I'm only hitting one target with my cleave abilities. Yeah, better CDM can do it, Yalan. So BCDM, right? BCDM. You see, I have Shadow Meld here, which isn't usually on the CDM. I have it on my custom, I think. Yes, custom. I just put the spell ID in, and there it is. Plater. / plater. Actually, let's see if we can fix the stacking. Yes. Stacking enemy nameplates. Okay, so this is it. Oh no. Okay, we gotta keep that on. Increase this a little. Okay, I see. That's a little bit weird. Okay. Clickable area? Is there a clickable area that I can change here? There used to be a thing. Yes. So we do that. And that. Cool. And then we can do a different overlap. No, the overlap is good still. Now I feel like it's not really reacting to my changes here. Keeping them on screen. I was thinking like the top. Like, can I change it so that the top is like here instead of here? You're waiting for the UUF? Okay, sure. I'll post it for now for you. Okay. That'll do for now. Yeah. And that. Plater. Great cake, plater, and these. But edited. Do you think Warrior is worth getting back into if you want to top the charts in Raid and N+? Nobody knows. Things can change. Things will change. We're not topping right now on the beta, but we're doing pretty well. So you know, I'm not worried. But if you want to top, then you wait until the patch goes live, and then you choose the class that is flavor of the month. Or the season, rather. Right, next is improved whirlwind tracker. Did Fury get pruned? That's the same. Sensei. Import. What's it called? Sensei resource bars. Should I add links to them? Or will that look messy? Nah, people can find the links themselves now. I know Better Call Manager has a rage bar as well, but I like the Sensei one. And also eventually Sensei already has the improved whirlwind tracker inbuilt, but I'm still using them separate at the moment because the improved whirlwind tracker keeps getting updates, and Sensei doesn't get the most recent updates that often. You know, I mean, it's not going to update as quickly as the actual improved whirlwind tracker. Have I updated the improved whirlwind tracker? Let's see, improved. Oh, it's not even on here. No, I haven't. Improved whirlwind tracker. I'll grab it again. 28th. Is the beta server down? I don't know, actually. I don't know. Oh. Pre-webbing talent is not selected. Let's get it again. Okay, so I need to copy the old settings I had. Oh, never mind. It's all good. It's still the same. Good. So for the improved whirlwind tracker, I can use an image upload. What's good for image uploads? I can't use Imgur. Imgur is banned in the UK for some reason. I want something that makes a short link. I think Discord makes long links. What does it? Why is Imgur banned in the UK? I don't know. Let me just post this here. Copy link. UI stuff. Ah, that's a long link. Or link? Wait. If I do it like this, does it just put the link there? Screenshot. Oh no. It is not. Can I make it like just call this screenshot? Or like call this a link and then make it a clickable thing instead of showing the whole link, you know? How do I make a hypertext link? Tell me. Oh, is it this thing? No, it is not. Highlight. One before the last, yeah, that's what I thought. And paste. But it didn't like that, did it? Is it because we're in one of these boxes and it doesn't like it? Let's see. Screenshot. No. Use Gyoza. Oh yeah, smart. I can do that. Oh, that's Gyoza GIF. No. There. Those links are short. There we go. Okay, let me try that first. That. Oops, I nearly broke it. So, nope, it doesn't do it. Oh well, it's fine. Right. Next. Sensei class resource. I already did that one. Yeah, okay. Sensei, better call the manager. BCDM. Profiles. Wait, didn't I already do that? I thought I did. Maybe I did, but I didn't post it in the channel. Okay. Export. Archeo was swapped for a few add-ons. Better, so crit cake, BCDM profile. Better. Cooldown manager. Okay, next. Oh my god, that one is tough. I need to make a different thread for that. Okay. I built a timeline. I don't know. I think the default. Is it boss warning? Okay. Oh no. Oh no. What was it? What was the old one? It was Blizzard something. Oh. Blizzard dialogue. I don't know, Valandry. Is it? Does it cause an issue? It looks right to me. I guess we just Gales all that. Oh, that's GIF. An add-on to replace Omni CD? No. No. That's exactly the kind of add-on that Blizzard wants to get rid of. Apparently. Ability timeline. Next. I'm working so slow actually. I need to hurry up. Target the spells. /TS? Nope. Target spells. Export. Perfect. Wait, did I just click something? Targeted spells. Crit cake. Targeted spells. Defensive stance reminder. I'm just gonna send a link to the add-on there, I think. Defensive stance reminder. Use settings to move. Edit. Here. Nice damage reloaded. There. Next. Basic minimap. Basic minimap. Profiles. Yeah, I'll just do this. Your cat chewed your internet cable and you were randomly disconnecting. GG. Yeah, it could be worse. At least it was just an internet cable. Basic minimap. Mask. Mask out of your eye. No, there's nothing needed there. Details damage meter. That one we can put. Details, options. Close this window. Profiles, crit cake, export. Are you actually gonna try and copy out everything, Ravi? You're over it, yeah. Big wigs, little wigs, and plus timer. Actually, no, I think I enabled a bunch of things. GCD history, player combat status. Oh god. Oh no. Enabled GCD. No, what? GCD history. Player combat status. The add-on list. We're working hard. Oh, can't believe I'm letting the gameplay. Yeah, the add-ons play the game for me. I know. Yeah, crazy. I did not know about this, Silverbread. That's extremely interesting. Okay. That's insane, Silverbread. I'm gonna write this all this stuff first. We're nearly done. We're nearly done. Although not the thread things, but like, hold on, that might actually do it. That might actually save me so much. I have no idea what that is. Oh, no. I don't want that. Show cooldown numbers. Show dungeon entrances on map. Enhanced objective and error text. There, done. I'm not using RQI anymore now. All right, cool. Cool. So, how does this work? Aha. Headshot turret, thank you for the raid. Appreciate that. Let's download this then. Do I just get the EXE? Right, let's see. Yeah. Whoa, okay, right. So it's this. Wow, install directory. There. Oh, okay, because I don't have the beta on that same. Well, it doesn't matter. Wait, how does this work exactly? Okay, crit cake. But like, All right, let's just say I'm doing it to this. It's not a warrior, but yeah. Oh, let's try. Let's try cake crit. Okay, right. That's interesting though. Hmm. Oh, that's the wrong crit cake also. Crit cake. Oh my god. Crit cake, Silverman. This one. Source, target, go. Okay. So what if I do... Okay, let me think. WoW needs to be patched. I can't patch right now. Hmm. This one. So actually, if I copy the... Go here again. Retail. So if I do it like this and overwrite, yeah, exactly. So even though this, in this WoW installation here, I've kept, for some reason, I've got the beta different place as retail. But this retail here is not updated, right? It's out of date. But I've just copied the WTF folder from my live into here. So if I use this now into there, that should work. Mm. Oh, just select root. Wow. Yep. Okay. Cool. Now retail. Now we can do crit cake. Oh no, that's Kazakh. Retail. Crit. Cake. 7 beta. Crit cake. What's this? Account level variables. Yes. Do it. Okay. That seems to have worked. So basically, if I give people my so if I make a Silvermoon folder with just crit cake in it, put that in a zip file, share that with people, then they just need to put the Silvermoon folder, or yeah, that either. Oh my god. Yeah, it wouldn't cause an issue, right? Because if they already have a Silvermoon folder, it will just add the crit cake. to that. Okay. So now on beta, it should look perfect, right? So let's log into beta. Play. They would need to have my add-ons, yes. This just copies the settings. Oh, beta is offline, of course, so I can't check that this worked. Actually, I'll just do one of those. Actually, I should exit the game first, probably. Delete. Create. Cake. Add to archive. Wait, no. Just make the. There we go. I can test the other character I didn't retell. Yeah, actually, let's go change. Here, select retail, crit cake silvermoon to. What did I call that? Crit cake W. Crit cake W. Crit cake W. There we go. Go. What? I'm gonna restart Battle.net. What's going on here? Bro. Hold on. Okay. I will do ready. Oh my god. Logging in the old way. Authenticator. No. What's it called? Maybe it's this? No. Is it in Battle.net that I get my code? Open Authenticator. Enter code manually. There it is. There we go. Yeah. I mean, I put the defensive stance reminder thing on here, right? Wago. So people can figure that out. Alright, so I log into Cricket W. What is this? No. I did not do the Discord quest. No. Huh?
Champion. Rumors suggest
Or like the wrong add-ons enabled or something?
Cult has been recruiting in Alliance cities.
Is it? It looks mostly right. Where's the CDM? Yep, that worked. Mm. There we go. Oh my god. Are we good? Yeah, I didn't save the key bindings. But that's fine. Holy shit, that's insane. Huh. Right. This is the way. This is the way. This is definitely the way. I think I just need to make a video, perhaps, to set that up really quick. That shouldn't take more than like 5 minutes to make this video now. It didn't like that. Alright, let me just import this. Wow. Yeah, it doesn't like that at all. No, Leo, but I don't need it, honestly. So, what is this bar? Why is that showing there? Control F1, Control F2. What the hell? I don't use that. Bartender. Wait, CD. Oh, I didn't do Cooldown Manager import. Let's do that. Okay. We'll just paste it on that one too. I have no idea what that is. Theater. But aren't the import strings like giga long? Yeah, the import strings get insanely long then, don't they? Especially the plated one is super long, I noticed. So I think I'd rather have it like this. Edit mode, import. Edit mode. Export. Create cake, Blizzard, edit mode, profile. Blizzard, edit mode, profile. There. Okay. Now if I log out and try and use these things. I'm gonna put the clean icon stuff is here actually. Yep. Are these CDM profiles final? I doubt it. Wait, what? Oh, right. I'm an idiot. Actual idiot. There. Create cake. And then select create cake. And there we go. Boom. Oh yeah. Let me show you guys how amazing this my slot add-on is. So I want to be Fury. My slot. Export. I can copy this, or I can save it. Rename. Crit Fury. 28th Jan 2026. Right. And then let's see if I go bartender and just unhide all the bars so you can see what's happening here. Right. See all these bars down here? My slot is old, and a lot of people know about it, but a lot of people don't know about it also. But now I can paste that thing that I got here, or like this thing here. I can select this as well. So either paste or select from the list I just saved. This is super useful when you have a new character on the beta or whatever, and you haven't set up your key bindings, or your key bindings get messed up somehow, or whatever happens. And yeah, you paste this in, you import. Boom. Keybinds sorted. Everything. And also the macros. All the macros will also get carried over. Unless you don't want that to happen, then you can just ignore that import. Such an insane add-on. That's crazy, Theodrim. But that worked really well. I think everything works. Yes, I will. I will. I don't know which one is the correct one, so... Anyway. Plater. Is it this one? Yep, it is. So... Does it just work? Yep. Keybinds work. Yep. 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 Holy moly. That's crazy. Will they get to replace the RQI in Rage Bar? This is a Sensei resource. The return of Cricket W. Cricket W is just being used to test my UI being transferred. Actually. Okay. So actually, if I just create a folder, new folder, Silver Moon, and oh, I need to reopen this. Crit cake, and then if I put so Silverbrit, I can put the save variables inside of here, right? Do I need anything from here? I guess. So these two? Cooldown manager. And that. Not the old files? Okay. Quick Cake W is only for Waker's Manor. I did actually. I do remember going into Waker's Manor with Quick Cake W. Yeah. Yeah, that works. So, I mean, that makes sense to me. You don't need any of the other things here. So now we wanna just the silvermin.rar. This. Hold on. I need to move this somewhere I can see it. There. Need to reopen OBS. Where is OBS? Here it is. And also need the YouTube chat. The realm can be called Crick Cake? Oh, really? Okay. That's even better. Even better. Then we get rid of this. Add to Crick Cake. There. And there. Oh, your Discord message. Okay, let's see it. You probably wrote a nice guide as well. Oh, perfect. I see. Okay, cool. So step by step. Okay. Step by step guide to copy all of my add-on settings. Easiest way to copy the UI. 1. Download this. Wow. Can I just copy here? Yeah. To download critcake.rar attached to this message. Rerun this for select your WoW install directory. So the folder your is this it's yeah World of Warcraft launcher. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, 2 3 in case they mess up. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, thanks. Oh wait. Wait. We can skip. We need to do this first. 4 extract crit cake. Oh, rar into World of Warcraft retail account name. We'll do like, I don't know, that I guess makes it more clear. And then 5, 6, 7. Find and select crit cake. So would actually let's try this now. Reset. Yeah, Mascant. I was thinking that actually. Terrible. Right. Here, retail. Let's see, account. There. So if I just yeah. If I just put this here, retail. How am I supposed to find? Okay, am I supposed to find crit cake in here now? And it should just be crit cake, no server name. I need to relaunch the app. Okay, let me just select this again. Maybe it'll. Oh, okay. The server should be crit cake to make it easy. Oh, okay. Download. Yes, run. Yep. It's not showing up, is it? Right. What about if we do... Hold on. New folder. Fake server. Oh, you can't see because of my webcam. Yeah. Oh, crit cake. I see what you mean. Yeah. I see what you mean. So instead of having it named fake server, we make it crit cake. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. So create crit cake rar. I was missing a very easy step there. Downloads. So now we're just looking for crit cake, crit cake. There he is. Okay. On the right. Target. Find. And select your character. Okay, cool. When you log in, you will need to import and select my CDM, edit mode, and bartender profiles. No, bartender and maybe plater profiles. Also, open edit mode. Actually, also open edit mode. I'll put as step 11. If your CDM is not in the right position, enter edit mode and just move the CDM row a little. This allows BCDM to take control of the positioning. By far fastest way. Right. I'm sending this. Yeah, let's see. Let me just. I don't like the brackets here. I'll just do quotation marks. Yep. Does it come with my IO? Sadly, it does not. All right. Can someone in the chat be a guinea pig and check that this works? Maybe do on a character you don't care about, or like a PTR character, maybe. Maybe I can do it on a PTR, actually. Oh, but then I need to copy the add-ons. You're trying it on your main? Cool. I'll copy the add-ons. Oh. I see, Silverbit. I see. Right. I can do this by going to here, beta, PTR. which one is it? Is it XPTR or PTR? It must be XPTR. No, it must be PTR. XPTR was updated ages ago. So, copy add-ons into here. Find this. And just put crit cake into there. So crit cake into here. The add-ons are still copying. It's gonna take a little while. I need to make a character on the PTR. Which midnight PTR is it? Oh, I guess with it. Well, they selected that one. Okay, good. Let's open that. Flashbang. Has the meta in season 1? Maybe. Who knows? Okay, we already have a crit cake on here. Yes, perfect. So all I need to do is wait for the add-ons to be copied over. I'll just put work in progress. Profile copy NG. Oh, here. So you open the link, and you should see in assets here. You just click this, and that will download it. Nice haircut. Thanks. I've not had a cut for like 3 weeks, maybe 3.5 weeks. I'm having a cut again on Saturday. I could hyperlink the exe. Oh yeah, I could copy link address. Very good idea. There. I bet, Yalen, I bet. I got pinged on Warrior Discord. What's up? It looks nice. It looks nice. To be fair, actually, the bartender bars here, they look kind of ugly. Like, it doesn't matter because I have them hidden. I always think like, oh, they look kind of messy when they are enabled. It doesn't matter for me though. I guess if people want to move them around, they can move them around. Right, I see. Kind of like Velcro because it's not like shiny. Like there's still some stubbles left. Is that what you're saying, Yalan? Interesting. all the add-ons are copied over. So if I now open this, go to here, and select that folder, copy retail PTR, crit cake, retail PTR, crit cake, and Asterion. Go. Oh, there's a lot of errors, but it doesn't matter. Okay, good. Well, not actually not a lot of errors. What is it? Config cache. Macros. Okay, yeah, that's whatever. Cool. And then oh yeah, I could have copied from retail, but I just wanted to do exactly what I'm telling people to do, right? It didn't work for you, Feng? Really? Oh, it will probably enable add-ons that I don't want. Maybe. Maybe not. Addons.txt. Yeah. Addons.txt is not. Oh my god. Help. Help. No. I need to delete a lot of add-ons that I don't use anymore. If I'm gonna do a zip of my add-ons folder. Because there's a lot of stuff I no longer use here. Oh, talent tree tweaks doesn't work. Okay, talent below that X then. Okay. CDM still hanging to the left, not aligned to center. The BCDM thing should be taking care of that. Could it be a, I wonder. I need to talent some stuff. Huh? Okay, hold on. CD. Copy. Solve that. Maybe include all the files, not the few we included, like layout local. Okay. Yeah, sure. Let's try this again, because it didn't seem to copy everything. It probably got some of these settings that we wanted, but not enough. Add-ons. Just do it all. Okay. Maybe not macros. I think macros would be dangerous, right? Because I don't want to overwrite people's macros that people might, like. I don't know if it probably wouldn't. It's probably character specific. Character specific macros would be bad. So let's do all of them. Chat cache, whatever. Click bindings cache. What's this? Click bindings. Config cache cooldown manager. Edit mode, that's backup. Macros. Yeah. So add to critcake.rar. Let's make sure this works first. So I open this. I go to here. And here. And here. Account. This. Wait, that's beta. Hold on. Wrong. PTR. Account. This. Replace. How about now then? When is beta coming back up? I don't know. Sorry. So that's the folder. So now if we go into retail PTR, critcake, retail PTR, critcake and Asterion. Go. Done. And now if I open PTR Midnight. Beta is done forever? No? Is it? Holy shit. I didn't know it was gone. Gone. Could be wrong. Yeah, let's see. Because I think the beta was up for a while. A long while. We're going into what we're in. How will people manage doing raid and raids to world first without the weak auras? They'll manage. Well, that didn't seem to really do anything, did it? Well... Where's Opera there? So... We'll do this first, actually. Edit mode. Import this. Critcake. Boom. Critcake. Fury CDM profile. I already got that. Profiles. There's nothing here. Interesting. Yep, good. Two, 3, 2. Fine, whatever. Good enough. Lock. Basic mini map. No, it doesn't have my profile. Bartender? Because Bartender was getting my profile. Yeah, something's not right. Add all the saved variables from account into that character. Okay. Not this, right? This, no. Saved variables. It's this one. Okay. Copy that into PTR, WTF, account, this, paste, replace. Now, launch PTR. Tried to change the talent profile and the game lagged to an Alt F4 point. Wow, nice. I mean, not nice. You know what I mean. Do we have the profiles now? No. Yeah, it did work earlier. Let me double check something. Realms. Cricket and Asterion. Yeah, we already logged into the character once. We can try again. So let's close this. Close this. Try copying from crit cake retail. Okay, sure. I'll try that. Then we've what's it called? Ruled something out. Oh, right. So crit cake retail isn't here. Let's just grab crit cake silvermin. Oh wait, no, I'm dumb here. I'm dumb. Hold on. Here. Yep. Retail. I don't think I have crit cake here. It's just gonna be crit cake silvermin. Yeah. So let's do that. Crit cake silvermin into retail PTR. Crit cake and Asterion. Let's try without that. So you copy the macros cache txt now. What are we starting in midnight? I don't know what we're playing in midnight, but both specs seem decent. I think probably Fury, but we'll see. This didn't work either, did it? Bartender. Nope. Let's see. So this is retail. Do I have a third warrior? Cricket EU, level 30 warrior. Crip Muffin, level 60 warrior. Okay, we'll go with the level 60 warrior. Stormwind City. Okay, we log into this character. Yeah, fine. We log out. Run. Now we need the main. This. Retail. Crit cake. Into Crit Muffin. Oh my god, there are so many. How am I gonna find it? It's alphabetic, right? Yes. Is it Agramar? No, Crit Muffin Silverman. The servers are alphabetic. There we go. Let's see if that worked. I think it did. Oh. Reload. Something just died there. There we go. We're good. I'm creative with the names, I know, right? Actually, let's go Fury and just... Let's see. Remove trinkets. What add-on are you using? I wonder, is that BCDM? Are the trinkets from RQI? Yeah, if it's RQI, then you need to go /RQI, and there's something called, you need to look for a tab called Arc Auras, and you need to remove those from there. Oh, it's not RQI then. So then maybe it's BCDM. I don't know where you might have added those, but like check, say custom, see if there's anything there, additional custom, anything there, item, anything there, trinkets, any disable trinket viewer. Maybe disable that. Okay, you're welcome. So let's just talent into a load of things. I don't really care what. Late mode. Move this. Okay, save. Yep, now it's taking control of that. Crit cake there. Cool. Yeah, looks good. And then CD. I need to grab my edit mode profile. No, that's not the edit. I need... Oh god. Okay, I need to go to my Discord. That's what I need to do. Discord, where is it? There. Discord, UI stuff. CDM. And we put that into here. That. Import. Crit cake. Fury. Crit cake Fury. There we go. Like so. And Bartender. Bartender is the right profile too. Yeah, I think you have, Mita. I think you have. And then if I go my slot, that was my Fury profile. Yes. Boom. All done. Okay, yeah, that worked. So close some tabs. You have 30 open yourself. Well, perfect. I can speak to you about my sponsor, Opera GX. If I did have RAM problems, I could use the RAM limiter to limit the amount of RAM that the browser uses. You can even hard limit it. But the RAM limiter is for, yeah, it's not just for when it's in the background, it's always actually. So limited on RAM, use this, you have more RAM for your games. Use my link up there to give it a try. Smooth sponsor drop there. Yep. RAM, the stuff is expensive. Yeah, it is. Look, every new user that I can get, Opera DX will reward me with $3. So by downloading this for free, you're helping me out. The upper spells bar, this thing, that's Bartender. It's not BCDM. So that's Bartender. So bartender, hopefully you were able to get my profile using this export thing. I don't know if you did. Why didn't it bartender or the default bars from edit mode? Can they be as customized as bartender ones? Because like the positioning and stuff is quite exact, and also I'm using the extra bars here. So I think I do need bartender. I think I will share my bartender Lua files. And I will also make yeah. So I'm still gonna make these threads, I think. And I don't know. I just want to make sure this works for everyone. And maybe someone doesn't want to actually go ahead and copy all of the settings, and they just want to copy like individual. Like maybe they just want my bartender setting. Maybe they just want my rate frame settings. Bartender export? There's no bartender export though, is there? I think you need to literally... Yeah, you literally need to share the Lua, not the Lua, the WTF thing, right? Yeah, the counter doesn't go up until the next day. So anyone who's downloading now, don't worry if that number doesn't change. It'll change tomorrow. Will I use Wago for the whole UI package? I don't know, maybe I should. Is it possible? Will that actually do the whole thing for me? Because this thing worked really well, and if I can do the same thing in Wago and make it easier for people, the easier I can make it for people, the better, you know. That's what we've been trying to do. Sorry about this, sir. Do you know if it's possible to disable cooldown swipe on CDM buff icons with any add-on? I'm not sure. Sorry. Not every add-on supports imports. Yeah. That's kind of why we're trying to... What we're trying to do. I think this thing that we just did, that should be it. But it didn't work on the PTR, so I'm worried that it won't work for some people. But it's definitely worked for me on my... what's it called? On my live characters. It worked for us and Peter? Nice. You just need a bartender now. Did you not get the bartender from this? You didn't get it from my tool. Okay, right. Then I will put bartender separately. Save variables. Actually, bartender is not character specific. Bartender is always in saved variables. So that makes perfect sense actually. So bartender, Lua. We just need Lua, yeah? We don't need the Lua back. Well, that's annoying. Yeah, well, you can download it with that button there. Or maybe I should just... so it doesn't look weird. I'll just do a bartender R. Let me delete that. Put this in here. Place this in. Oh, extract. There. It copied many things though. Did it still work? Yeah, you don't actually want these ones. I don't think. You don't want these. The hell? Where is everything, Archie? That's how it works through. Okay. I think, if I remember correctly, Bartender is a weird one. Yeah, these are like easy profiles to share. I should do something like this. I should. But we're now struggling with the ones I think that wouldn't be possible through Wago. Hey Cricket, do you maybe know how much bitrate I stream on YouTube in 2K? I'm pretty sure it's 17K for YouTube. 17K bitrate. Yep, there you go. 17K. Careful now with the massive UI work I'm doing now. I might end up doing rotation guides next. Yeah. Oh god. Oh, I need to contact the Wago guys and have a talk. Oh, really? Right. Well, maybe they would if I asked nicely. Yeah, just keep in mind, I do have a 40 series card, which means I can use AV1. AV1 is higher quality per bitrate than the H.264 or H.265. Yeah. AV1 is really good. Twitch, I think Twitch is like testing it or has support for it or some support for it, but not really. Yeah, worth it for a more seamless experience in the future, for sure. Bitrate for 1440p stream. For Twitch, I honestly just don't recommend 1440p streaming at all because let me see. Twitch just doesn't accept more than like 8K at most. Like 8K, people say don't even do that. Do like 7.5. 8K bitrate, that is. And 8K bitrate for a 1440p stream just isn't enough. Like the image becomes extremely blocky as soon as there's any movement on the screen. Is bro standing up? Yes, I am. Bartender still doesn't work for you even with the export to Lua. How annoying. It is supposed to be that one though, right? Where else would it be? It's not there. It's not here. It has to be. Has to be this one. Has anyone else tested the bartender thing to see if it works? I need to explain somewhere as well that the main abilities, you know, BT, Raging Blow, Rampage, they are actually action bars and not CDM icons. Your bartender works? I didn't, Silverbrit. Hold on, let me do that now. So crit cake.rar. Yeah, that one is correct. So okay. Okay, just do this first. Okay, around that. Delete this. Yes, I've stopped using RQI. Right, Austin Peter. What about you need to close WoW completely, I guess. Close WoW completely, then overwrite the bartender file, and then launch the game again. Does that work? Maybe it's one of those things. Yeah, that's what I figured. Probably. I'll just gonna say close WoW, then
Insane, dude.
my bartender profile should then show up in game in your bartender profiles list. Yep. Smite, thank you for the prime. Appreciate it. I'll just put this close WoW to select crit cake. There. Yay, cool. Now, if you obviously like if you don't want these spells hidden, then you can change that in Bartender. So Bartender, Bart 1, visibility, do that. And these bars as well. These are bars, so literally you just drag stuff into them. Although, actually, they're mouse over right now. Bartender. Okay. Or the main abilities. BT, RB, ramp, X, TC. Or the arms equivalents. Bartender. Action bars. They are class bars. Class bar 1, 2, and 3. They are currently click through. Click through. Just untick this, then place the abilities into the bars. Yeah, the bars actually aren't hidden. So in order to drag into here, because they're click through right now, you need to go into class bar 1, disable click through, disable click through, disable click through. And now you should be able to drag stuff in. Do my font outlines look clean because of the resolution I run the game in? I'm not sure. Sorry. I think I'm gonna... Okay, so I'm gonna log out, exit game, and I'm gonna not have those bars as click-through. Because it's easier that way. I think. Because it would be... I think it's just confusing to have them like this. You can't export and import profiles in Bartender, can you? As far as I know, you can't. You're looking at it. Where? When? Since when? Bartender. When was it updated? 9 days ago. Well, I'll download it again. Just to make sure it is definitely the most recent. Discord DM. Okay, okay. Opening. Profiles, import, export. Oh, so that's possible, huh? Let's see. So that makes things a lot easier for Bartender. A lot easier, because I don't think that was possible before. I know that you used to have to share profiles like that. Oh no, I closed the game, and that means I need to log into it again manually. Ugh. Hold on. What was better for me in beta? M plus, Slayer, or Thane? Thane was better overall damage. Slayer did more single target damage. Alright, let's see. I need to hide my screen again while I log in. Oh, cool. There we go. Wait, did I update that bartender? I don't think I did I? I just downloaded it, but I didn't update it. Hold on. World of Warcraft retail interface, add-ons, bartender, paste. Then replace bartender. Yeah, it definitely doesn't have the export here. Reload. Did I play some pre-patch keys as well? No, I did not. Not really. I did on like day one or something to test my UI, but that was it. Bartender. Bro, why do I not have this? I'm using IWT Captain Crabs because the guy is still updating it a lot. So Sensei's version might be behind on updates. At least for a little while. I'll keep them separate. Yeah, I know Sensei implemented it yesterday, but I'm sure Hawk is still doing lots of stuff. Interesting. It didn't show the fact that I got the buff there. Did it assume I was out of range? I think it did. No, Theodrim, I wasn't able to. Oh, wait. This is why. Why is it paused? What did I just do? Okay, reload. Hold on. Let me do that again. That is the correct folder. I'll log out. Actually, I'm gonna stay logged out and then do it again. Go, yes. Bartender. Nope, still nothing here. Yeah, good question, Theodrim. I'm just used to using WinRAR forever. You're using CurseForge version. What's the difference? Yeah. Oh yeah, like that. Oh, sorry, I misunderstood the question, Theodrim. Yeah, okay, I could probably change it to zip files rather than RAR files. So. But that's the one I'm using now. Revi. Targeted spells. Import. Oh, targeted spells. You just go into edit mode, and there's a targeted spell self here. You click that, and then there's an import button there. How do you get into Sensei? It's in add-ons, Sensei. We'll figure out this bartender thing at some point. Oh yeah, that's what I was doing, right? So this bartender thing is now click through, then not click through, so that you can add those buttons in. Count, save variables, bartender. Delete this. So like this. So how do I change this to default to zip? No. Did I do it? Did that work? Zip archive. Yes. Just to choose type when packaging? Okay. Where? Oh, there it is. Oh, I'm blind, dude. Bartender. Setup. Oh, right. Nope, delete. Bartender setup. To place main abilities. ET, RV, ramp to the bars above the click through by going into bartender settings and changing and ticking click through for class bar 1, 2, and 3. Am I skipping work for this tomorrow? No. Oh shoot. That's fine. Bartender. Set variables. There. Boom. Done. Delete that. Cool. Maybe I can just do it like this. Make it look nicer. Like so. Do the same here. Oh, it doesn't like... It doesn't do formatting. Okay. Maybe I don't do it like that then. You just clicked something in Sensei and WoW got set to 800, 600p. That's crazy, dude. You're gonna purge the whole shit tomorrow and start over with the UI? Look DM and previous message in Twitch chat? Okay. Wago is one version behind. Yours is 2, yours is 3. Mine is 0.3, no? No, I took from CurseForge. Alright. Let's just try this real quick. If it's the newest version that has it, then that's promising, because that probably means that it's going to be much easier to share Bartender very soon. I didn't make a copy. It is what it is. I have backups. It's fine. No, it's not there. I don't get it either. Yeah. Looks basic, indeed. What's this? Don't need to see. Okay. Ah. Okay. Okay. I see. All right. So those changes don't do anything. So why is it that we don't have this import export thing? Yeah, I will ask about the Wago thing. Yeah. Right. Bartender natively doesn't support it. Oh, okay. So I wonder if Revi has something. Hey, Nidan. How did I get the text off the enraged buff bar? With some text editing, some Lua editing, with Theodrim's help. I think, honestly, the best way to do it right now is follow this thing to like literally copy everything in my Lua files. What's the best way to track enemy burst at the moment? I think you don't. I reloaded and relogged. No, I relogged. Anyway, it's late. I need to call it now. But we did some good. We did some good. hopefully, hopefully this helps a lot of people, and people are actually able to follow the instructions here and to get the same UI. I'm kind of banking on this though. I hope this really works. And then also Bartender. What is enemy burst? I don't know. You think I need to exit game? I already exit game once though, and I also got the right Bartender version. I don't know. I'm just gonna go sleep now. It's late, and I'll be back tomorrow anyway. It'll be raid. I'll be clearing the raid, and then maybe the beta is up. Maybe we get some beta changes. We'll see. Anyway. Yeah. For my Bartender profile, I know. It's here. Bartender 4 zip. The Lua file is in here. Add-on Bartender. 4.17.3. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah. Thanks for watching. On your way out, if you don't mind. Oh, look. Opera GX is updated already. 203 new users. That means we got a few today in this stream. Check out my sponsor, Opera GX. We've been using this browser for a while now, like half a year, it feels like. It has RAM limiter. We mentioned this earlier. CPU limiter. It has inbuilt Twitch. It also has inbuilt WhatsApp. Some other things as well. You can use all of your Chrome extensions on Opera GX as well, which is super useful if you're used to using those. And loads of more settings, some themes and wallpapers and lots of gamery things here as well, keyboard sounds. Anyway, if you use the link up there, it would help me out greatly. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all tomorrow.